Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Insert the SIM key hardware and activate now. First, power off the phone and remove the tray with the ejector. Align the SIM to the tray cut and seat it flat, don't force it. Once the tray is back, power on and unlock the device. You'll see a prompt for carrier activation or APN setup. Keep your activation code and account login handy. Starting promptly prevents network timeouts and speeds the rest of the process. Once done powering and seeing the carrier prompt, complete the activation using account credentials or code. If no prompt appears, open Settings right arrow Cellular or Network right arrow Carrier and force a manual activation. Next, make sure APN fields match carrier values exactly. Incorrect APNs block data. After entering APN, toggle mobile data off and on so the device retrieves settings. Finally, choose LTE or you're nearly done. Place a test call, send a text, and load a web page to confirm services. If data or calling fails, restart the phone once. This often forces network registration. If problems persist, remove and reset the SIM key or test it in a different unlocked device to isolate hardware versus account issues. As a final step, avoid repeated wrong PIN entries. Use the PUK only if instructed. If activation still fails, contact the carrier with your IMEI and activation code for direct resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.